Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to combine multiple video or audio file using Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer and then go to File and then click on New and then click on Project. Then select the location where you want to save the file, then click on OK. And then make a double click to import media. Just make a double click over here and then select your video from here, or you can just click on file, then click on import and then select the video which you want to combine. So select the video file, then click on open. Then you want to combine two or maybe multiple videos, so again go to import and then select the second video and similarly add the third video and so on. And after you import the file, go ahead and select the file and then drag it on the right hand side. So select it and then drag it over here on the right hand side and then select the second file and then drag it and place it at the end of first video file. So just drag it and place it over here. And then similarly, if you want to combine third video, so select the third file and then drag it and place it at the end of second video file. And then all will be combined over here. And then you can just click on play and then it will start running the video. And all the videos are combined over here right now. And then you want to export the file, so click on file, then click on export, then select media, and then right now it's lower quality, so click on match sequence settings and then it will be high quality, which is progressive, and then click on export and it will start exporting the file. So depending upon the length of the video, it may take some time. So longer video will take longer time. Now once this is done, you can go to the location where the file is saved. So in my case, it's in documents. So wherever you have saved the file, go to that location and then you can go ahead and run that particular file and all the videos will be combined over here. So this is how you can go ahead and combine or merge multiple videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Similarly, if you want to add audio file, then you close this window. Again, Adobe Premiere once again. The process will remain same even for audio file. Just go to Adobe Premiere Pro, then click on file, then click on new, select project, select the location where you want to save the file, then just make a double click over here and then go ahead and select your audio files. So this is my audio file, and then again select the second audio file. So if you have third audio, you can go ahead and add multiple audio. So similarly, select the file, then drag it over here and then drag the second file and just place it at the end of first audio file, and then you can play and check the sound, and then you can go ahead and click on file, then click on export media and then select match sequence settings and then click on export, and this will export the audio file. And this will be a combination of first and second, so both the audio file will be combined. So this is how you're going to you're going to combine multiple video or audio file using Adobe Premiere Pro. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.